have an overview of the kitchen. Ensure adequate space for the appliance. Check if power socket is available. Open the box, and check for all the accessories. Accessories included: multifunctional sink blocker, 6-way pipe, Allen wrench, wireless switch, instruction manual, single tooth pipe, double teeth pipe, mount assembly, accessory package, and the appliance. The accessory package contains 2 screws, flange piece, outlet sealing ring, decorative piece, dishwasher connector, and dishwasher sealing ring. Remove mount assembly from appliance. Install the decorative piece, flange piece and outlet sealing ring on the 6-way pipe. Place the grooved side of the decorative piece inward. The thick side of the outlet seal ring fits with the lower recess of the 6-way pipe. Place the assembled 6-way pipe on the appliance, and fix with the 2 screws provided in the accessory package. Then press in the decorative piece. Separate the mount assembly by twisting it anti-clockwise. Place the sink flange and sealing ring on the sink outlet. Assemble the backup flange as shown. Align the fiber pads, support plates and locking rings from the bottom of the sink outlet. Manually lock the locking ring. Tighten the screws using an Allen wrench. Fix the appliance to the mount assembly. Ensure the 3 hooks are located correctly, and tighten the thread until it is fixed. Unplug the lid, and install the overflow pipe on the sink, to the 6-way pipe. Install the double teeth tube on the 6-way pipe. If it is a single sink, then skip this step. Keep the lid on the 6-way pipe closed. Place the single tooth on the 6-way pipe, put the other end of the tube into the sewer pipe. Open the back cover of the wireless switch. Insert the battery. Place the switch in a suitable position. Included parts are air switch, air pipe and 2 pipe connectors. Make sure the air switch button is in good condition, and spring back is normal. Check for any damage to the air pipe. Remove air switch nut. Pass the pipe through the connector, and connect it to the air switch. Place the air switch into the 28mm hole of the sink. Tighten the nut on the air switch as shown. Pass the other end of the pipe through the second connector, and connect to the bottom of the disposer. After installation, block the sink outlet with a multifunctional stopper, and a seal ring at the sink. Open the tap and fill half the sink with water. Turn on the appliance. Remove the sink blocker. Check for water leakage under the sink, and that the appliance works properly. Clean kitchen, happy family.